Hello and greetings on yet another Devs and Hodlers meeting. This is number 91. We are just a few minutes past 6 p.m. Central Europe time because these live streams are, as you know, in English and every Thursday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time once a week. So my name is Mikołaj, with me Citral, Bartek, and we're going to speak about some amazing news from the devs.
Yes, hello everybody. Hello guys.
We're gonna go slowly to bigshortbets.com. If you like these streams, devs and holders meeting, leave a thumbs up, obviously subscribe, and I know some of you been here recently, and there have been a few live streams in Polish. Yes, we are the Polish team over here. We speak about as many stuff on the platform as possible regarding crypto market, but not only. Even though if you go to the bigshortbets.com, you may change your language to English to Polish. Obviously, we're going to go over to English. And you can find all social medias of the Big Short Bets, also the white paper. You can claim your BSB tokens as well, because you're gonna need them. You're gonna need them, and we're gonna speak about it as well today. And yeah, from social medias, go over to bigshortbets.com. Just the Big Short Bets Twitter page and the two supporting pages. If you're more into news, I recommend you to follow these two as well. This is the Big Short Bets news and Big Short Bets family for the memes. If you like the memes, if you like more of the fun, this is the place for you to be with us. I got some.
Today I have meme
yeah.
for you. I have meme for you today. I just added this on the Twitter today. So if you can like type Citral or v0.43.0.
I actually got it opened. Yeah, I got it here.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Sorry.
That's the meme. This is the meme. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. So if you want to any leaks or any information about what happened now in the project, what happened, and any leaks from the dev team, so you can check my page, and I try to add sometimes.
We can say a couple of words about your meme over here. So you've wrote that you can use the public version on mobile browser right now. So that's one of the updates. What else can we go from your thread over here?
It's actually instruction.
Yeah, it's an instruction.
How it looks like if you open our page on Brave browser on mobile, so you can check what steps you need to do to log into app. And as you can see, it looks similar like MetaMask or like and Brave Wallet give you your private seed. It's like you are the owner or your Ethereum wallet, so you can import that wallet even to MetaMask and log in through like other browsers. So it's nice feature for you if you want to use your phone.
So I see some people in the chat. Good to see you. Yeah, I've been expecting you on 6th. So there is a name day in Poland and a little kind of Boxing Day before Christmas on 6th of December. People share gifts with each other on the 6th. And yeah, my name is Mikołaj, so it's regarding the Santa Claus, obviously. So yeah. Cool. Thanks for being here with us. So also there are a few other memes and news from the market as well. And we're going to go over back to you, Citral, in a moment as we go over to some of the news from the devs. Tonight we're going to speak about the v0.43 release presentation, the market fixes. There will be some updates on the market. And if you go over to the Big Short Bets news and the platform as well, so you only got like a sneak peek on Twitter. If you're more into the Twitter, but you can read entire baits. Baits are the threads. Baits are the articles that people post on the Big Short Bets platform. This is the name that we use on the platform. These are the baits. So it's not a post, it's a bait. And so Chinese court says NFT are virtual property right now. So this is probably one of the first times in the world, I guess, that they are getting like, I don't know, not the permits, but legislation regarding NFTs to make it like a protected by law digital property or kind of like an art piece. So this is very interesting. I wouldn't suspect China for it, but yeah, there you go. You can read more about it on the Big Short Bets platform there. So there is one a really cute post from the Big Short Bets news regarding Alameda. As you know, Alameda is one of the platforms that got trading platforms that got into bankruptcy after the waves of bankruptcies of the FTX and so on. So we've been speaking about it for weeks, for months before on the Big Short Bets platform. So yeah, if you want to go and be up to date and have some conversation with these guys, if you go to the description below our live streams, you're gonna find entire instruction on how to get on the platform. You can find it as well on YouTube. You can find it both in Polish and English on Big Short Bets platform over here as well. So yeah, let me see if there are some other news. I don't wanna I want to keep it short and keep it brief, because I know most of you guys are following this news, so you're probably up to date. But yeah, if you have something to say about all this news going on, either from the platform or from the Twitter, just go over to the chat and give us a heads up. What was the most exciting thing in the past week? After the fallout of the FTX. So yeah, there will be a live stream regarding FTX. This one in Polish in when it's gonna be in a couple of days, I think. And you'll be able to have some conversation in Polish. But yeah, we are in English here, and we're gonna go over to the thread of this live stream, which is obviously the update and the release, the update and the market fixes. So without overdue, Citral, two topics over here: the release and the market fixes. So what's on the plate recently with the devs team?
Yes, actually, that's two topics, like, of course, compare each other, because we try to add some news, add new features, and improve some fixtures and issues once a week. So we usually releases like new version of the app with some fixes, like the bugs what you send to us, or what our
Cesar,
testers.
before you go, there is one question regarding the market, because Jan Tiger from the chat is saying that the market is ready to go live, but there are just some law aspects, and HOSA prevents it from going to live. I don't think that's accurate to say so. And yeah, Jan Tiger very well said that this is the dev perspective over here we are talking about, and everything we are saying, it's mostly dev perspective, because this is the devs and hodlers meeting, obviously, and it's still a prototype. Yes, the market is live for the tests right now.
Yes, market is live for the test, but from like our side, of course, we always talk about the audit, and we want to like make our contract is secure if that's like version what we give you right now. Of course, maybe not it's not the version for like from the UX side, from the user experience side, to give it for the users right now, because as I said on Telegram, on Brainstorm group, like, we focus on the proof of concept right now. So we put all the functionalities on the one view, then we're gonna spread it out and make that application for more friendly to the users. From the aspects like contract or something like this, we don't see like any reasons right now to make it live, but we need to be checked. I can say right now. I want to give like the code what we wrote to
and we're gonna speak about it. Yes.
audit company, and then we got like permission to
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
make it live, but
Yeah,
it's
because
not
it's
make
not just
sense
a kind of a
from
code.
our side.
It's the money we are also talking about, like your money, your privacy, and stuff like that. You know.
Yes, that's why I want to be checked. So the other side, like the functionalities and the whole that user experience, like we've got the whole functionalities, whole things working on our blockchain, our internal blockchain. But as we said, like maybe in the future, maybe in the near future, we gonna we will be more integrated with ICP. So probably like maybe part of our market gonna stay on ICP. But I can say like the 100% like information or agreement right now, because like we talking about our solution, our like not the prototype solution, but our main solution was going on live. But right now, from the our side, if we will be have the audit and the whole law aspects will be okay, and probably we can go live. But of course, not with this version. I think the market can look better and more user friendly than then we can go live.
Hey, you know what happened with Cyberpunk? It was too early to call it, and then it went down to hell. So I understand the
Yes.
decision, obviously.
Yeah, I saw the funny thing, like now the chat GTP, yeah, is on the mainstream, like everybody to test the AI, how it works, answer
Mm-hmm.
the questions and everything like this.
Mm-hmm.
Programmers put the code in it and everything like this. And I saw like somebody test the contracts on it, and that AI can tell you what's going on, what's wrong, and I just like have fun with the guys from
Cool.
the dev team. Like, okay, maybe we can put our market construct and test it. Of course, it's what's for fun and
Yeah.
not for the like. Not for the reason what we can or for results what we can base, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, but also the reasons to test it out, to see how it works in practice, for everyone to test it out. The market is live. I mean, with virtual money, obviously, but you can test it out, see how it's going on, get some feedback, and yeah, it will be live soon enough. So,
Yeah, and
uh,
we have a lot of feedback for you. Like brainstorm group give us a lot of feedback,
mhm.
and we already implemented some features.
Cool.
So I can share my screen. I can
Yeah, go ahead.
show you how it's going on, how it looks right now. But of course, we got some issues more to add. Okay, screen. Okay, I will open my list too.
I will fix it in a minute.
Okay.
Oh, I got it actually here and here, and we got it here. Kind of.
So maybe mal improvement, mal like small issue, but we add the loading state, like better looking loading state, because that was what we have like on the start.
Mm-hmm.
Looks really bad. So if you want to close your position, like you can see here is a loading state, looks better right now on that view. And of course you can see right now, but my MetaMask just appear, and I
Mm-hmm.
can click confirm or reject to send my transaction.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. We've gonna have some new improvements in the informations, like you can see right now. We add our in our created position column, and you can see the quality of data, what's our what our review like show you. And next time we add small improvements. We've got small issues with the colors, so now that looks better. Speaking about loading state, we add the max button, like you can see right now. So like you can see, like we are market balance. Of course, it's a market balance, not your wallet balance. So that balance you can withdraw from your market, because as we said, like we gonna have like separate markets for any other market what we're gonna have on our market. I can say maybe we're gonna add we're gonna call this pools or add any other word. Only on bigshortbets we're gonna be available. So like we can say market, we can say pools or etc. So okay, and we've got a max button. So if you click max, as you can see, like my market balance automatically copy in the in that field, and you can withdraw your balance straight from the market balance to your wallet. So like it was small suggestion from the brainstorm group, so thank you for that. We added, so now you can type or just click max button to withdraw all your money from the market balance. As I said, like colors issue, like our next one, we improved some fixes with the trading bot, because as we said, for now the animator of our market is the bot. He works automatically, as you can say it now, with every change of the Oracle price. Our bot set the new transactions for you to make sure like you can always have transaction to match with. As we say, like you need to match with transaction to make a transaction. So we add it only for the test reasons on the testnet. But works like you can see with every all Oracle price change, bot set new positions. So if you want to match, if you want to test the market, you can do it. Next one. We've got some problems with the refreshing site, because if you want to, like, if you log in first time to our site, you can have a problem with the login. Okay. Uh, Market beta, like that's in that field, that view didn't appear. So for now, it fixed it. You don't need to refresh your screen. Like that's two views, like market beta and profile your wallet view, and show appear like straight after you log in. So let me check what we've got next. Of course, we have some fixes like from the backend side with the WebSockets, with the order book and orders. Next time, yeah, and some fixes with the refreshes with order book. So that's the improvements what we add in this release. So as I said, still have some issues to work with it. Like next time, in next release, we are already working with it, because we have maybe not a problem, but we have small bug, maybe not small bug, but a mistake information, like with the communicate what we show to you in the bottom. Because if you want to close your position, sometimes sometimes a price here is higher than position what do you like to like what position what you could match with. So we're gonna fix it, like you will have only closed by the market price. So that probably that field gonna be off, and you can and that like value here gonna be filled out automatically via change of the market price. And as you can see, like why we do this, because we have a problem. Like if you close position and if you can't match your like I said, like yeah, I have a long position. Okay, so let me close the position, like and say like okay, like 70. Okay, I want to close higher right now, so I can say like okay, I want to say what 80. It's not works like a limit position. It like that view, that field for now only works like a market closed. So let me close my position. I want to close my MetaMask appear. Okay, I click confirm. So now I wait. If you can see the loading state right here, and probably I'm gonna the communicate. Yeah, like here, the position was successful, closed, and that communicate. We're gonna delay that communicate from our market, because actually we have like bad name of the communicate, because it's it says to you the position was sent on blockchain, but not said like you match with somebody, or so that's why we want to like delete that information, and after we add some improvements here in the columns, we're gonna add the information and better communicates like straight from our WebSocket, like okay, your position is matched or your position is reject. But for now, as I said, we don't want to like add a lot of communicates like okay, your position is sent, your position is matched. We
Yes.
in the future we want to add like another section with the logs, and they're gonna inform you like what happened with your position. Like okay, usually your position was was sent on the blockchain, your position was match with somebody or something like this. So we probably add logs for you to inform you, like logs history to inform you what happened, and it will be the easier for us to see like if you have any problems with you with market or something like this, like show me your logs in which
Yeah.
step what happened. So
Yeah.
it is for us too.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think that was the main topics for today. Maybe if you have like questions or you want to know any other information about platform, about what's going on, so I'm
Yes,
here.
please. So, guys in the chat, if you have some questions, that's the greatest opportunity you can have. Obviously, Ctrl is available for you and your questions, as well on the Telegram chat. As you know, we cover two chats. One is in Polish, one is in English. We know that most of our community is in Polish because the project is Polish, and the live stream hours 6 p.m. Central Europe time is a very good timing for Europeans mostly, but it's quite good for US. It's like what 10 a.m. In some parts, 11 a.m., 12, and so on in United States, and it's like a very late evening or even night in most parts of Asia, but still early to be hooked up with us here on the live stream. Yeah, I see some news from the platform here. Citral is showing. This is how it looks like, the main page. So yeah, if you have some questions other than the presentation, the market
Actually,
fixes, you're good to go.
yeah, actually, I have one more topic. Like, I know some people have problem, have issues with the connect to our blockchains, our blockchain via Tor browser, especially. Like, I'm talking about not the Tor, the network Tor, but Tor browser as a
Mm-hmm.
browser.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah,
I'm
it
speaking
happens.
about that application. Yeah, because like our application browsers like Mozilla, like Chrome, Brave with Brave or Tor browser, obviously. But and of course we test it, but we've got the same issue too. We already found the problem, and we're gonna improve we're gonna add that fix. I think in the close future, because we know what problem is. So if you have the problem, if you can't add the Tor, like if you can't add our blockchain or MetaMask extension on the Tor browser, you can add the network in the MetaMask by using the Brave with the Tor extension. So I'm gonna change my screen. Maybe not screen. I'm gonna change the
Mm-hmm.
browser
Mm-hmm.
really quick.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, change Windows here. And as you can see, like you can see the purple like views or something like purple marks here on the top. Like
Yes.
already connect the Tor version of the app via Brave with Tor. So here we don't have that issue, and we can add them. We can add our network to MetaMask extension. So if
Mm-hmm.
you have a problem with the Tor browser, we're gonna care about it. But for now, if you want to use Tor, if you want to use our Tor address, if you want to be secure,
Mm-hmm.
you can use the Brave extension with Tor right now.
Yeah, and the instruction you posted on your Twitter is also about this kind of wallet. It's as a different way to connect, obviously.
Yes, that's like like you can see, like it's not available on Tor.
Mm-hmm.
It's not because of us, it's because of TradingView. So TradingView like sometimes block the WebSocket
Yeah.
by the connecting via proxy to Tor. So
Yes.
so that's why we decide to off the chart here. But as you know, chart is not the market. Market is the whole thing, like you can see right here. Around the chart is only like the show you only the picture of the market, not
Mm-hmm.
the market.
Yes. So there is one question from our very very loyal viewer right here, BKSB Hodler, that he saw a leak on Twitter regarding central exchange BKSB listing on Kanga. Already some news regarding that to share. So what about Kanga?
Yes, like actually I don't have any information, I just saw the same information on
Mm-hmm.
the Telegram, what Rafael said. So
Uh-huh.
probably government gonna decide, like we're gonna go on that exchange or not. I'm sure like they was on our event on February. So
Yeah. Yeah.
they was on our event, and we spoke with them. So probably I think the 14, yeah, 14 on February we're gonna have the more information about it. I will probably be on that meeting or not, but I will be maybe have more information about that weekend.
Uh, Putting it to different words, what Citrol is saying, that he's saying, this is not my department. I'm just doing the devs work
Yeah,
over
that's
here.
right.
This is for them to decide, and so
Yeah,
so
it's fun to think, like, because sometimes people ask me like any our speculation, something like this,
yeah.
what's going on, but from that I don't know, government business side or something like this.
Mhm.
I'm actually a project manager, so I'm focused on the product. So
Yeah.
I
Hmm.
focus on the features with about the whole technical ways and feel like this. For me, I need to create something for what's work.
So if you're
And
asking if you should buy the big SB tokens now before the drop and release on Kanga, we don't have the answer.
yes,
But yeah, you should
yes.
buy, I
Like
guess.
but because we hodlers say cool is news for Valentine's Day. No, like I say 14th February, so next week. So it's soon.
December,
That
you mean?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, December, sorry. Yeah, December, yes.
So just 1 week. Yeah, we will be here next week as well, big SB holder as every week. So if you have some other questions, we'll see in a week what's gonna happen in a week. The 14th is on Wednesday, and the live stream is on Thursday on the 15th. So we'll see about that.
Yeah. You need to ask Bartek every time when he is here. he have more leaks from that business side.
But don't worry, Orwash is here on the chat with us, and he's just tweeting over here that
Yeah.
there is a bait about it, and you can read more about it. And he made an interesting post about Kanga. So we have a link in the chat, guys, if you want to read more about it.
Actually, I think I can share that information maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know which user that is. Probably with
one of the hodlers.
Yeah, one of the hodlers, but what hodlers? Like we can't sort by the wallets right now. We're gonna add this in the future, but
You got a link here. Oh, it's Lanky. Okay, he just wrote to me. It's Lanky over here, not Orwell.
okay.
Good to see you. Time to log in then. Yeah, of course it's time to log in. I mean, you should log in, and you should log in daily, because you will be able to claim your tokens daily. Remember about it. You won't be able to claim them any other day or once a week. You have to claim them daily. This will be one of the updates for you to get some tokens to make the community, up to date. I'm curious if somebody gonna make a bot to claim the tokens. That'd be funny to see. That they just gonna program a bot that's gonna, go in, claim your tokens, go to the platform, scroll a little, and just went off. But I don't think it's gonna be.
And I think you should use to log in daily, like you say,
Yeah.
if we add bets, it will be one of our features. I can say right now. Yeah,
So
yeah.
you got the nick,
it's
right?
feature. Yes. I've got the nick. I've given the information, and as you can see, here the analyst about it. I didn't write and read this before, so I don't want to waste your time to be take care about this.
You can stop here and read it from Citral's screen, or you can just go to the platform over here and read it yourself. Yeah,
that's true.
Yeah.
I will probably read this, after the live.
But yeah, it actually sums up your answer to your question, hodler, dear hodler, and yeah. Other than that, if you have any kind of suggestions, issues maybe, either in Polish or in English, you can go over to the Telegram, as I said, Polish, English, and post some of it there. But if you're searching for answers, you might find them easier than you think. Just go to the platform. You can use your search mechanics. The search mechanics on the platform works really well. It's not gonna put you to Google, as some of the search mechanics work on some platforms. If you try to search for something and then you just end up in Google, some websites work like that. This doesn't. So if you're looking for some bait, user group information, just go over. Yeah, and I spoke about the group. There will be amazing new updates regarding groups and the community. So you can get your group running right now if you have some interesting topic, and you will maybe perhaps want to make an elite version of a group. You might gonna need to mint your own NFT key to join, to open the doors to the group. So there will be amazing stuff going on. And yeah, people just saying on the chat, looks good, looks interesting. Want to get some really cool liquidity? Yes, there will be some opportunities for that sometime in the future when the market is well tested, and mostly it's also tested by the independent, how to put it?
Audit company, like
Yeah,
this.
yeah. The companies that's gonna test it out. There will be.
It's not gonna
there
be chat GTP.
Oh yeah. There were talks about it some weeks ago on the devs and hodlers meeting. But yeah, what else? Just go to the chat, find it, read it, make your own research, because most of the frequently asked questions, there are answers for that. There are answers for that in the past live streams. There are answers to that on the platform. You can always just make a bait and start a conversation, or just join some group, make your own group, and we encourage you to do that. Obviously you are free to ask questions anytime on Telegram, on the platform, but you can also just ask the community. The community might help you out even better. Not only they will help you out, they will also warn you before some scams go out, before some depots go down, before some FTX or whatever goes down, because we spoke about it. There is thing going on with USDT and other coins, or shit coins as you say, going on, and big short bets were there before anything could happen. So you could save your money, you can even earn it. You use the platform as you will. Some people short, some people long, some people save, and some people just cry out, blood out with their wallets, which is not cool. But yeah, the community is here for you, so that's why we are focusing on building it. The market is next, then the groups and the coins, and it will be an amazing year next year going on. There will be few updates here in December, as Citral said. Next week there might be some information updates. We'll see about that, and other than that, the end of the year might get a little slower, the live streams around Christmas-ish, but then the next year will be full of updates regarding market groups, coins. I'm pretty sure the team is had their and still have their hands full of work over here. So yeah,
that's true. We have one more question. Like, do you have Discord? No, we don't have Discord. We base on the Telegram groups. Like, we have two or three groups. Like one for the English users, one for the Polish, and one brainstorm group with the information about or suggestions for us for the dev team.
Yes.
What we can add.
Yes. So you can ask questions. You can have send them some suggestions. You can even hire yourself. They were hiring some time ago. I know there are some fresh blood in the team as well.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe next week, or maybe next 2 weeks. We gonna invite here our new dev.
Okay, that's cool. New faces. That's amazing. So yeah, guys, keep your heads up for some updates. Thank you for being here tonight. And as always, 6 p.m. Central Europe time, we're gonna have some conversation with you next week. Yeah, it was amazing. Thank you so much, Citral. And yeah, you can read more here. Go to the platform and make your own research as well. It's not an financials advisory over here. We're just speaking about the platform. Use it as you will. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, guys. Goodbye.